In Greece, people throw pomegranates on New Year's Day. Totally Greek, right? It's for luck and a messy living room. In Peru, people paint each other with bright colors for spring. It's like Holi, but in the Andes. In South Africa, you can find penguins lounging on the beach. No, you're not hallucinating, they live there. Interesting, yes? In Sweden, there is an official coffee and cake break daily. It's called fika, and it's sacred. We all need that, would you agree? Definitely telling my boss tomorrow, would you too? In Laos, monks collect food from locals each morning. It's a sacred exchange of rice and respect. Imagine the peace in people's hearts and minds. In the UK, there's cheese rolling down a dangerously steep hill. Injuries? Absolutely. Dignity? Questionable. These Brits, lol. In Sri Lanka, the national sport is volleyball, not cricket. Shocked? So are we. In Poland, some homes keep a carp in the bathtub before Christmas. It's dinner, but first it swims. In Iran, Nowruz is celebrated with a table full of symbolic objects. Eggs, coins, sprouts, all for a lucky new year. In New Zealand, the haka is more than a war dance. It's performed at weddings, funerals and sports games.
Thank you for watching.
Subscribe to get notified when new videos or shorts come out.